Hello friends, welcome to my channel and I am here again with the new product of TP-Link Tapo Pan-Tilt Home Security Wi-Fi Camera एंड आज हम यहाँ पे इसकी अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे और आपके साथ इसके फीचर्स और स्पेसिफिकेशंस डिस्कस करेंगे।
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So let's start with the specification. They have given us 1080 high definition camera, night vision up to 30 feet and micro SD card slot. If we turn left to their box, we can see here some brief specifications. और यहाँ पे इन्होंने वीडियो रेजोल्यूशन 1080 पिक्सल्स का दे रखा है और है यहाँ पे नाइट विजन LED लाइट के साथ रिकॉर्ड कर पाएंगे आप अप टू 30 फीट्स। और यहाँ पे इन्होंने ऑडियो बिल्ट दे रखा है माइक्रोफोन और स्पीकर के साथ और इसमें अडेप्टर मिलेगा आपको 9 वोल्ट्स का। If we see the requirements they have given us for the Tapo Home Security Camera, the mobile data running iOS 9 or higher and Android 4.4 higher. That means you definitely have a good version of smartphones, and existing secured Wi-Fi network means you definitely have a installed Wi-Fi network to run this camera over these Wi-Fi networks. And the free Tapo camera app and account required means you need an account here to register with them. If we go to the back of the box, we can see they have so many features और यहाँ पे आपको मोशन डिटेक्शन कैमरे में देखने को मिल सकता है। एंड इफ वी गो टू द साइड वी कैन सी हियर द इंस्टॉलेशन मेथड, वेयर टू पुट द SD कार्ड and how to mount the camera on the wall. So we will check now what they have given inside this box. So let's start here. We can see here the camera. छोटा सा है कैमरा ये। It looks very cool. छोटा सा है वाइट कलर में और टैपो का लोगो देख सकते हैं आप यहाँ पे, बहुत स्मूथ है ये। और देखते हैं कि बॉक्स में और क्या है। और यहाँ पे है ये पावर अडेप्टर कैमरे के लिए विद ह्यूज लॉन्ग वायर। दिस इज अनदर गुड पॉइंट। और यहाँ पे है माउंटिंग प्लेट टू माउंट योर कैमरा ऑन द वॉल, एंड यू कैन सी ऑल्सो द स्क्रूज। And now I will show you here little things about this camera now. So let's see here. They have given us audio built features. You can see a microphone here and you can also see the speaker on the back of the side, and there is a power adapter point. Downwards you can see here there is the SD card slot and you can put up to 128 GB card over here. And so I will power up to my camera now.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Now we will go to the Play Store in smartphone to download the Tapo app, and this is the app for your home security camera, and we will install it and we will wait for the few seconds. After completing the installation, we will open this app. And now we have to sign up an account, and you can use your email account also to complete your activation process. And now I will go to Gmail interface to register my account. After completing my activation, you can see here I have registered with them. and now I can easily log in. After the logging into the account, now I will add a device here, which is Smart Camera C200. After adding this device, you will get information, the power up and check the LED. And now I will take to you the camera, and you can see here it's moving in the all the directions. Means it's starting. So now I will turn on my location here, and after on, you will get some permissions which you have to allow with them all. And now it's connecting to with my phone. और यहाँ पे आपको एक वाईफाई नेटवर्क चूज़ करना पड़ेगा जिसके थ्रू आप कैमरे को चला सकते हैं ओवर दी वाईफाई नेटवर्क. Here they will ask you for a permission, means you are connected to the Wi-Fi or not. If you are connected, then click on I am already connected. You can change the name if you want, and you have to set your location where you want to install your camera. After setting your location, I will select here my outdoor and then move to next, and I have completed my process here. And after, you can see the devices adding up in this app, and now we can see it's working, and you can see also live here. So now I will show you the camera, and now I will operate this camera from my smartphone, and you can see it will work in all the direction. You can see it's going in horizontal or vertical direction. If we come to the last, I will tell you about their benefits. The first is pan tilt, means you can move your camera in all the directions, and full HD 1080 crystal image, two-way audio, night vision, motion detection, and you are also getting privacy mode. और इतने सारे बेनिफिट्स मिलने के साथ साथ और आपको एक सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट मिल रहा है जो कि है 2 years की वारंटी. And if guys you are looking for a user friendly camera, then I will recommend you purchase this camera because of आपको इसकी build quality सबसे अच्छी देखने को मिल सकती है और इसका installation process बहुत आसान है. And last, I am requesting you to guys to subscribe my channel, press the like button, and we will keep you updated with the new techs. Thanks for watching. See you later.